a former Russian military officer and current member of the Russian Duma Solovьёv, is saying that Europe is preparing for a big war. And he's right. We've been telling you about this for months now. He says, quote, Europe is preparing for a big war. European countries are making a military alliance similar to NATO, but they won't invite Russia to join. He continues, we need to understand that we have a temporary window of opportunity to finish the job that we started in 2014, that we have to denazify Ukraine, and that after that it will be too late. Well, it's not too late now, is it? It was never too late for Russia to stop this war. They chose to start it. And it's certainly not too late for them to end it. But clearly, they don't want to. This is a war of choice, and if it was my choice, I would choose peace. I would choose to end this war. I would choose to withdraw Russian troops from Ukraine, and I would choose to find a peaceful resolution to this conflict. But that's not what Vladimir Putin is doing, and it's not what the Russian military-industrial complex wants. They want to keep the war going. They want to keep selling weapons to the Russian government, and they want to keep making money off of this war.